of the GDP yung infrastructure spending natin, matagal tayo behind the curve. So learning experiences kumbaga tayo, no? Ano po yung mga major lessons natin po?
Thank you, sir. Actually, ito po administration nito, I will say na on the right track po tayo. Why? Tama po ang procedure kasi wala pong pinapaborito. Kumbaga. While we're doing the foreign assistance project, we're also doing the PPP projects. Kasi parehas naman tama po yung procedure. Yung isa po, through lending institutions, ito po yung through loan agreement. Yung isa naman po, directly, nag-invest po yung mga private concessionaries natin. Now, parehas siyang dinidistinguish in order for them to be implemented. Ang criteria po nito, it should be economically viable. Even po mag-i-invest ang local natin do sa ating public-private partnership at hindi naman sa economically viable, hindi po natin ina-aprobahan yun. At nag-a-approve po nito ang NEDA board po, yung chaired by our Honorable President. So all of these big ticket projects, as far as I see, no,